Well, they like both aspects of it. They like the flying part. That's a ton of fun, you can see that. But they also enjoy the coding part, and that probably comes again from our focus as a magnet school. They're really into coding and they enjoy that. And the challenge of trying to go through the field, coding it and seeing what mistakes they made, go back and fix it, and doing it over and over again.
Well, the most I like about this after-school club is that we're able to experience stuff that most people aren't able to. So I'm really grateful for what we have.
I want to learn how to code a drone because I'm not really that good at it, but this helps me learn more about coding it and helps me fly it better.
It's the teamwork, getting along with each other, working together. It's the critical thinking. They enjoy using their brain. It's the physical aspect. We're breaking a lot of ground here. We're learning, making a lot of mistakes, how to do it, learning a lot, but it's a ton of fun, both for the coaches and the students. So we hope next year, we get a lot more schools on board, more than 6 participating in this. So the official drone tournament, aerial drone competition tournament, will be on March 2nd from 8 to 4 p.m. here at the school. All 6 schools coming here and competing on seeing who can fly the best.